When is your birthday? Kanus a imong birthday? Kanus a imong birthday? Birthday. Adlaw na tawhan. Adlaw na tawhan. Adlaw means day. Na tawhan is like springs into being, like your existence. In Bisaya, we pronounce birthday as birthday. It could be any spelling as long as it is closer to the birthday English term. Okay, now let's break it down. When is kanusa? Kanusa. And then your is imong. Imong. Birthday is birthday. Birthday. Whatever spelling that is, it's okay as long as it is closer to the English term. It sounds closer to the English term. So let's try that again. Kanus a imong birthday? Kanus a imong birthday? Now your turn. You try. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to visit me at cebuano101.com. That's all for today. See you next Friday. Bye.